How to use Nolo real estate legal forms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think filling out real estate forms on Nolo is straightforward, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make errors that can lead to delays, legal issues, or costly misunderstandings. The first mistake is using a generic form without adapting it to the property or transaction type. Nolo offers forms for leases, purchase agreements, and disclosures, but beginners who don't tailor details like property description, rent terms, or contingencies risk creating incomplete or ambiguous documents. Another common error is failing to disclose required information. Laws vary by state, and missing disclosures like lead paint hazards, liens, or property defects can result in fines or lawsuits. Always double-check state requirements before submitting forms. Many users also overlook signatures and witness requirements. Depending on the document, notarization or witness signatures may be necessary for legal validity. Beginners who skip this step may find agreements unenforceable. Not tracking deadlines is another pitfall. Lease renewals, deposit returns, or contingencies often have strict timelines. Beginners who ignore deadlines risk penalties, lost deposits, or contract breaches. Finally, some users fail to store documents securely. Real estate forms contain sensitive personal and financial information. Beginners who don't use secure storage risk identity theft or data breaches. To use Nolo real estate legal forms properly, customize each form for your property, disclose all required information, follow signature rules, track deadlines, and store documents securely. Avoid these mistakes, and your transactions will be smooth, compliant, and legally sound.